Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my Sam Poole Design Team project, and I basically was inspired by the Springtime in France digital kit, but I added a few other papers in here that complemented that kit, and I'll show them to you. I fell in love with the Springtime in France, of course, and I love this digital page where I would use this as wallpaper if I could find it. It's just gorgeous. And it's a little bit bigger journal. I thought I would go bigger, so it actually highlights Sam's digital pages very well. I add a lady on this front cover. It's made of, cardstock, printed on cardstock. And it's just one signature. And let's see, in this front side tuck, I added just a little book page, a real thick antique French book page with a place to write and an image from one of Sam's kits. I'll list them below, and some appliques layered on top of each other. It's a place to write. Get in there. And then a lot of Sam's French script I thought complemented this kit. And here is just a book page, an antique book, French book page. And here is another lovely image. I just really, really loved the images, the French images. And then in this little corner tuck is another rag paper book page, French, and I just folded it and made a little pocket to hold this journaling card. And another applique and some French laundry label piece right there. And then here's another journaling card. Tucked away there. And then another cute image. And then another book page tucked in this corner. And then this is an original paper from one of my recent finds, purchases from Maury. And then I just added a little bit of color, a little bit of the lilac, lavender. And then in this pocket, it's a pretty deep pocket, I covered coffee stained paper with French lace, and then you open it up and there's two pockets, one with a little cluster of papers and cluster of laces that can be used. They can be taken off those. Let's see if I can get that tied up for you. Oops. Back in the pocket. More script. All of the book pages that I used, I added lace trim down the edges. So, let's see. Here's another side tuck. More of that beautiful paper from Maury. This is such a cute page. That little girl at the piano. And I left this journaling card just clipped here so whoever purchases can put it where they want. And then in this side pocket here, I just attached two of Sam's envelopes, printed envelopes, and then added a letter inside. And then this is just a flip out journaling spot. You can journal down here. And then more applique on book page. I just love that look. And this is adorable. And then another journaling card. I could not get enough of this. I think I printed it like 5 times, so I don't know how many times it's in here, but... And then I had been looking and looking and looking for like plans like this, and couldn't find any. And then Sam did a kit with some, and I love that. I want to frame that. And so, like I was saying, some of these papers are just gorgeous. You can write on them. You can journal on them if you want. And here's another loose journaling card. And here's part of that plan, architectural plan. And you could write down the side here if you'd like. And then here is a little booklet, because you know I make a lot of little booklets. And the pages you can use to write on. They're kind of lightly printed. And then in this, I just love her. I think she's on the front as well, so I just folded another rag paper French book page in there for you. And then in this flip out is just a little folder with 2 tags from Sam's kit. And then in this little pocket is another journaling card. There you go. Such beautiful pages in here. And I loved the lightness of this chandelier. And again, it would be a great place to write. I just love their faces. They're just so sweet. And I love adding antique book pages to Sam's kits. They just complement each other. And then here's another little pocket with tags. And then, yeah, a little pocket. And then this is my favorite. In this deep pocket, and I'm letting go some of my favorite trims, French trims. I made a pocket, 2 book pages. This is actually Italian paper book pages from Rachel, but it's a journaling spot here with Italian papers and French laces and Sam's tags. You can write on the back as well. Actually, no, it's not a double. Not a double pocket. That was my favorite piece. And then in the back is just another tuck with more of the rag paper. And then this is a journaling tag. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope to have some things listed pretty soon, but this is my Sam Poole Design Team project, and I hope you found some inspiration. And thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.